right, good morning. The view outside. It's really pretty outside today. There's a pool downstairs, and I was sitting down outside having a chat with my favorite uncle. Let's go. จะหลบให้ก็ไม่หลบ So they pick you up from your hotel by a little scooter. And then I guess we all have to wait here until we all go out together. Unfortunately, it's a very cloudy day. It's very overcast. Let me show you guys. Oh, so overcast today. It's not gonna be too hot, but it's not gonna be as vibrant. But anyways, guys, I did not eat anything this morning, which is the usual for me. Some depending on the hotel, I would eat, but I did not eat this morning. So this morning, no breakfast as yet. Usually I actually do jump rope, but I brought my jump rope with me. It's in my backpack, so I'm gonna get my workout in at some point today. That's the thing I like about the jump rope. You can use it anywhere. I'm not sure if I'm gonna eat today yet though. I'm not sure if I'm gonna just have coconut oil, because what I've realized, coconut oil does keep me satiated, like not satisfied, like I don't need feel for food. But also, if I put it in hot water with a little bit of salt, it's kind of like an electrolyte, fat. I don't want to say fat bomb, but like yeah, it's enough to keep me in my stomach quiet. So she's using the the swing. Y'all don't believe me. Here's my jump rope. Anyways, so I've got my weighted jump rope here, and it has weights in the handle, so it's a little bit heavier than most jump ropes, which I like. It's giving me some guns. I've got my water for later. What I do want is some coconut water though. So I have been having that, a lot of coconut water, and I've been having a lot of coconut oil, which is quite good for electrolytes and stuff. So I've got my mask because we're gonna snorkel later at some point. I'm really looking forward to that. And of course I've got a book to read. Alright, so let's see how that goes, and it should be a very productive day. So let's keep tracking and let's see how we're gonna do. Y'all let me know in the comments below if you're enjoying these updates. If you wanna know what I'm doing while I'm traveling, while I'm eating, shoot me a comment. If you have questions, let me know, and talk to you later. All right. So I'm gonna try a restaurant. Oh my god, the views. This place is immaculate. Oh my god. Such a cute cafe. Dessert, can you have food here? They close. Okay, so my mistake. I thought it was a restaurant, but it's a cafe. Duh, it says cafe at the front. I know. But I thought it would have had food. So what they said, their restaurant is right across the road. So I'm going to go eat there, and then I'll go have dessert. I know, we're being naughty today. And then they own like a tree house in the back there. I want to go see it so bad. So Banploy. So this treehouse belongs to this hotel right here. Let me show you. So the hotel is here, the restaurant is right there, and then the cafe is also there. So we can go have dessert. So I guess someone's about to take berberine because. All right. Ooh. Let's see what we see here. So this is